Hello and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseni and today we're celebrating World Tai Chi and Qigong Day. We're going to do a 10-minute full body routine to get you moving, lift up your mood, and hopefully you'll feel good in your body and mind by the end of the session. But before we begin, remember, if you'd like to try longer routines or join me live every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put more information for you in the description below. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, and bring your tailbone slightly forward. That will help to open up through the lower back, help to release any tension, and keep your spine nice and straight. Bring your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. Continue to reach upwards through the top of the head, but at the same time relaxing the entire body down. Take a moment here to settle your mind and simply become aware of your physical body. From here, begin rotating your body from side to side. Keep your feet firm on the ground. Keep your knees nice and soft. Relaxing through the hips and the lower back. Relaxing through the upper back, upper chest. Feel your arms gently brushing your body. Keep this movement pleasant, enjoyable, without overextending. Be kind, be gentle to your lower back. If you feel comfortable, feel free to close your eyes, drawing your attention inward. I like to focus on my spine, feel it extending upwards, feel it lengthening downward. That helps to open up the spine. Just feel your entire body in motion, how it feels in your body. Very, very good. A few more times. Then slow it down. Return into center. Keep in a good posture. We're going to take a couple of deep breaths to open up. Inhale. Feel free to come up on your toes. Exhale. Long, easy, comforting. Breathe in to open. Breathe out. Drawing more and more attention to your body. Becoming aware of your breath. Begin to feel present in the moment. Inhale, open up. Exhale, soften. One more time, breathe in and out. Relax your hands by the side, moving on with a hip rotation. These are simple exercises, but they're very effective when done mindfully. You can use it as a warm-up before your workout or as a daily routine to get the body moving, to help circulation, to help hydrate the joints. So these are really, really nourishing for the body and mind. Taking that time for yourself. Very good. And then change the direction when you're ready. Learning more about your body, connecting, being friendly, being supportive. Just notice how your hips are doing today. It should feel pleasant. You do feel a stretch, the muscles, tendons, even a little bit on the skin, but it's all pleasant. It's that pleasant stretch that kind of motivates you, makes you feel good. Very good. Come back. You can do this definitely for a lot longer, but we're going to continue warming up the spine. Your hands will slide down towards the knees with a straight back, thinking that your back is like a mountain. Make sure you're elongating through the back of the neck. And then round your back, begin to slowly raise up and relax. So taking your time to contract and then to release and lengthen. Very good. Forward, inward, and up. Take your time. Let's add some breathe into it. Inhale, when you go forward, your hips slide back. Exhale, when you roll up, warming up the muscles of the back, opening up through each vertebrae. Just being present in your body, feeling that motion. Just get into the rhythm. Your breath will guide you effortlessly. So moving, inhale, exhale up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And one more time, breathe in, round it up. Exhale as you return back to straight, relaxing the entire body. And take a moment to feel your spine. Very good. From here, a couple of upward stretches. Go ahead and interlace your fingers. Make sure you have a comfortable, narrow stance. And lift yourself, come up on your toes. It doesn't have to be extreme high, just comfortably lifting your heels off the ground. Inhale, and on the exhale, begin to rotate and twist to the side. Inhale, return back. Exhale, turn to the other side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release the position, coming back down to the ground. Very good. Interlace your fingers again. Raise to the chest. Inhale. On the exhale, turn your head one way, shoulders move the other way. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, stretch. Inhale, back to center. Press it forward and exhale to release. One more to go. Forward bend. Inhale, raise to the chest. Exhale, forward bend. I'm going to show you the side view. Inhale in the center. Exhale to turn like a dragon. Feel in your spine. Opening up. Release. Inhale back to center. Exhale, turn to the other side. Keep your neck nice and long, extension of your spine, looking down. Inhale, come back. Raise your hands up. Nice big breath in, open out through the front of the body. Exhale, full release. Very good. Take a moment here to relax all the muscles. Relax the tendons. Relax your bones. And just notice what this time frame, what this 10-12 minutes did for you. What changed in your physical body, maybe what changed mentally. You're feeling calmer, more centered, more present. Very good. Take a nice big breath in to finish. Bringing your attention into your body one more time. Close, just below your belly. A moment of centering, awareness, presence. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope it was a good routine for you to celebrate today as a special day for Tai Chi and Qigong community around the world. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload the next video. Make sure you don't miss out on the future uploads. And as always, stay well, and I'll see you soon.